Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to send email using a node mailer. So let's start the tutorial. So here we have the node mailer installation npm command. So let's install this is npm install node mailer, right? Let's go to the terminal and here we are going to add this one. So I've already added, you can just try to paste npm install node mailer, right? It's done. Now we are going to create the APIs. So let me go to the terminal and here we am going to add route get send mail and send mail to users function. So here this function same as it is I have copied, nothing different one. So this one full a transport node mailer, so it's just configuration over here. And after that let info which information that you want to send, hello text html, this one, and console.log whether the message is sent or not. This code, after adding this code you need to go to the API end. So this is the API end, that is send mail. Go to the postman and my localhost port is this one. API is the route that I have added for all these routers, and send mail that I have already defined this route. Okay, and after hitting this could not connect the request, that means server is not running. So I'm going to run the server, node server.js, ports 8080 and connected to the database. Let's going to run this. So let me here we can check message sent, right? I have already console that log. Okay, let me go to my email, Google. Okay, so I'm going to check my Gmail. So here we are, hello world. See, hello world, it will come. If I'm going to return a successful message also, let's go and check the messages. It's like okay, so you can handle, right? So let me add some try. Here you can just send the response. Okay, response dot send, or you can wrap it in a try catch block so that it will response dot send 200 with the message. For dot message ID, right? We can also send this. Okay, so hope it will not create writing. So I'm going to just run this one. So send this one message. I did this. Okay, so if I'm going to go see new message come, hello world, right? So this is very easy, and no need to do anything. Just I have added the send mail to users http and this information. You can also call the templating engine over here like html if you want to go for the rewrite like good structure. So for the html you can call render a view, full view, and send to the users so that they can check for the username or password whenever they are going to register. You can send the uh, you can use this email template, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand what exactly the node mailer and how you can use the functions to send the email. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. I hope you understand it. Okay. Please do like, share and comment. Good day.